Hundreds of millions of people living in India and Pakistan, the early arrival of summer heat waves have also been terrifying reality that the testing survivability of the limits of the people and putting enormous strain on the energy supplies, vital crops and the livelihoods. Both countries experience heat wave during the summer month of May and June, but this year heat wave season have arrived sooner than the usual and is predicted to last longer as well. Temperature expected to climb to the dangerous level in both countries this week. Parts of Pakistan are likely to experience heat up to 8 degrees Celsius above the normal April temperature, that is 14 to 18 degree. According to the country's meteorological department, the maximum temperature in the Balochistan is the country's southwest, which could go up to 49 degrees Celsius, that is 120 Fahrenheit. Also, that's like living in Death Valley, the hottest and the driest place in the North America, where summer daytime temperature often climb to similar levels. Ayub Khosa, who lives in Balochistan's Dera Murad Jamal city, said that the heat wave have arrived with an intensity that caught many off guard, creating severe challenges for its residents. One of the major issues is the persistent power outages, said Khosa, who told CNN they could last for up to 16 hours a day. Also, this has intensified the impact of the heat, making it harder for people to cope, he said. Neighboring India has also been experiencing extreme heat that arrived earlier than usual, and its meteorological department warned people in parts of the country to brace for an above normal number of heat wave days in April. Maximum temperature in the capital Delhi, a city of more than 16 million, have really crossed across 40 degrees Celsius, that is 104 Fahrenheit, at least 3 times this month, up to 5 degrees above the seasonal average, the meteorological department said. Also, the searing heat is being faced in several neighboring states too, including Rajasthan in the northwest, where laborers and farmers are struggling to cope, and the reports of illness are beginning to emerge. Also, the maximum recorded temperature in the parts of Rajasthan reached 44 degrees Celsius, that is 111 Fahrenheit on Monday, according to the meteorological department. Anita Soni from the women's group Thar Mahila Sansthan also said that the heat is much worse than other years and this is worrying, and also we are worried about how it will impact children and women in the state. When the laborers or the farmers head out, there is instant lack of drinking water. People often feel like vomiting, they fall sick or they feel dizzy, she said. Farmer Balulal also said that people are already falling sick due to the working in it. Also, we cannot even stand to work in it, he said. When I'm out, I feel that people would burn due to the heat outside. Lal said that he worries about his work and how he will earn money for his family. We have nowhere else to go, he said.